If you don't like being stuck in a career rut but still want to make a real impact, then this is for you. Get ready to elevate your logistics game with the accelerated CargoWise forwarding certification. Starting March 30th, 2025, dive into this 100% online training for just $50 if you're one of the first 30 registrants. Why CargoWise? Imagine mastering freight forwarding, customs, and shipment management with the leading logistics platform used by top industry players. With hands-on experience and live Quanda sessions with industry experts, you'll tackle real-world case studies that prep you for the certification exam. Meet your new best friend, the CargoWise dashboard. It's user-friendly, powerful, and designed to simplify your workflow. This training is online and self-paced, meaning you can learn on your own time, at your own pace. But wait, there's more. Get exclusive access to live training sessions, detailed tutorials, and insider tips. Imagine the impact of having a prestigious CargoWise operator certification on your resume. Hear it from our students: this course transformed my career. The best investment I've made in my professional development. I now have the confidence to tackle any logistics challenge. Ready to take the plunge? Click below to enroll now and take the first step toward a successful career in logistics. Spots are limited, and this exclusive offer won't last long. Don't miss out. Enroll today and turn your logistics dreams into reality. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly, but act fast. These spots will fill up quickly. See you in class.